Marketing today can be the most overwhelming thing. In fact, almost every small business owner I talk to is completely overwhelmed by marketing. No idea what to do. Should they be on Facebook? Should they be on Twitter, Google Plus, YouTube? There's so many. I mean, these are all really great opportunities, but it also can be overwhelming. A lot of it goes back to who your audience is, frankly. We're going to talk about marketing and in depth in my next workshop on November 19th. And we're going to actually go through the tactics, see what's best for you. We're going to clarify your audience. We're going to know where they are so you know exactly how to market them to them. And we're going to put together your one-page plan. So you're going to come out with a plan. And it's only going to be a one page, and it's going to be something that you can easily manage in your business. Doesn't that sound great? So I hope you'll join me on November 19th. I'm excited, and I want you all to come out with a one-page marketing plan that's going to rock for you. I'll see you then.